In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a report from Smartsheet. This process is straightforward and can significantly enhance how you share information with your team or stakeholders. Let's dive right in and take it step by step to ensure you get it right the first time. First things first, go to your Smartsheet workspace or home. This is the central hub where all your sheets and reports are housed, so make sure you're logged in and comfortable navigating this space. It's essential to start in the right place to ensure you don't miss a step along the way. Once you're there, click and open the specific report you wish to publish. Your reports are probably organized in a manner that makes sense to you, so access the one that you feel is ready to be shared with others. Opening the report will bring up all the details you've carefully compiled and formatted. Now that you have your report open, you'll want to look towards the right-hand panel. You should see a clear icon labeled Publish. Give that a click. This panel is where you initiate the publishing process, opening up your report to your desired audience. In the Publish panel, you'll see an option for Read Only BT Full, which allows viewers to see the report in its full Smartsheet format without the ability to edit it. This is particularly useful if you want to maintain the integrity of the data while sharing insights broadly. It's always good practice to double check that the format displayed suits your audience's needs. Next, toggle the switch to On for the type of access you want to grant. This step is crucial as toggling the correct setting will determine how broadly you're sharing your report information. Make sure you understand the level of access you're providing to safeguard your data. After switching on the desired access, click Copy Link to obtain the URL. This URL is what you'll use to disseminate the report to your audience. Email it, message it, or include it in a document. Whatever works best for you and those you're sharing it with. Alternatively, if you're looking to embed the report in a website or a SharePoint page, click Get Embed Code. This option provides you with a code snippet that you can paste directly into your web page, allowing for a seamless integration into your existing digital ecosystem. Finally, it's important to note that you cannot publish a report if you are using a free account. Access to the publishing feature is typically restricted to paid users, so ensure your account status is up to date if you find yourself unable to complete the process. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to publishing a Smartsheet report. Follow these steps carefully and you'll be sharing your insights with ease. Thanks for joining me and happy publishing.